And here it is. And we can ride it. It's an older impulse buy. There's the machine room. You can kind of hear like the relays. Now we're gonna go to 2. Here we are on 2. You see that office? Either we're after hours or it's completely gone. But here's a view out. There's the Dover blew up the shaft. We're gonna go to 1. I don't think it lights up. Yeah, it doesn't. Here's your cab view. The paint's kind of healing. Makes a little bit of noise. But anyway, we're gonna go back up to 2. Here's your ADA compliant phone. This elevator is pretty similar to the one that is nearby at the Sarasota YMCA. Anyway, we're gonna go back down to 1. The inspection certificate here has not been renewed, which means that this elevator could be getting a modernization soon. I hope that doesn't happen, but who knows? Because as you see, the tax collector is now gone, and I don't know what's left here, if anything. But there it goes. Actually, no, on second thought, we're gonna listen to the machine room. Alright, there was some road noise that kind of overlapped with the sound, but anyway, so with that being said, that'll be it.